Dunhill, Maxi Pad, and Valene. All the way from Fort Myers. Girl, this is your agent sensation. She's been a cast member of the very first ever Trannie Palace 4 years ago. Maxi Pad, who has been my friend, 100 years ago. And Valene, who I met on RuPaulCasting.com. Yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they're all three Leos, and their birthdays are what, 3 days apart? July 31st, August 1st, and August 5th. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your birthday girls of the week. I'm going to get birthday shots. But will you help me sing on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Trannie Palace. Happy birthday to you. All right, so Diamond Dunhill doesn't drink. Diamond Dunhill doesn't drink, and she's an avid not drinker. Not because she's on AA, I would never do this to a sober person. She just never got into it. It's not her thing. So she's gonna drink a little tonight. Make some noise for the birthday girls, make some noise! Drink, 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 drink. It's a weak shot, it's free, bitch. Girl, it's free. I'll have to buy you a shot in a second. Make some noise for the birthday girls, make some noise! Girl.
Oh, I just got pinched. Oh! Oh, shade is thrown.
So are you twisted yet?
I am drunk. It doesn't take much.
I'm gonna get you a shot right now.
No, girl, I had enough.
You've had half a real shot.
I'm about to do Lady Bunny. I can't.
You've had half a real shot.
No. Oh my God, divaness. God, down. Oh, main attraction. M-A-N-E. She is, of course.
Voila!
Balsam. And so on, and so on, and so on. How many years you celebrating Dragness, girl?
17.
For real?
Yeah.
And of course, from our first interview, you hail from California.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it matches your fucking dress. This is my first drunk interview.
Ow, you drunk girl.
Do you drink at all, girl?
Yeah, remember I be taking all your tickets.
That's right, boss. I give my tickets. I don't sell them on eBay. And I do want to give a shout out to Sephora and Tiffany Fantasia's makeup line. Without touching it, it's called Makeup Forever. Professional from Paris. Yes, down, girl. Oh my God, look good in this light.
Oh! You feeling it, mama? You feeling it?
Yeah.
You feeling it?
I feel that shot right pulsating me.
That's hot.
Ooh. Oh. And of course, I want Valene, hello. Hi. Dun dun dun. Ooh. Who was that?
Oh, it's me.
Was that Tiffany? Oh, Noel.
Make some noise for Mr.
Did someone hear
Noel,
me?
make some noise!
Oh my God, my voice, the hair. Oh, girl, I gotta stop. Oh. Oh. Oh, Noel, thank you.
Oh, I just got off the stage.
I know.
I'm a performer, and it's my job
Oh.
to entertain the people out there. Happy birthday, Diamond, you old ass bitch.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, we'll take a picture. Hold on, don't take that dress off yet.